Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically apply filters and effects just to the overlay of your videos. I'm just going to add like this in as a background and this as like the overlay. And I want to be able to add in effects and filters without it affecting the background. So if I do this, the background will also be affected. So what you can do is you can either add in your effects and filters and select only these two, right click, create compound clip, or the easier way to do it is just select any filters or effects and drag it inside of the video like so. Again, same thing as the effect, just select it and add it to the second video only. And as you can see, the background won't get affected. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!